The reality TV landscape is undergoing massive shifts, and viewers are beginning to panic. Following an unexpected wave of cancellations sweeping across HGTV, many fans are turning their worried eyes toward TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, a fan favorite series that has captured hearts and headlines alike. As reality networks scramble to restructure and adapt to changing viewer habits, streaming wars, and internal network politics, questions are rising fast. Could 1000 LB Sisters be the next big show to fall victim to the axe? The shock came when HGTV, once known for its consistent programming and viewer loyalty, announced a slate of cancellations that left longtime fans bewildered. Beloved shows like Fixer Upper, Welcome Home, Hometown Kickstart, and even spin-offs from major franchises were suddenly gone, leaving a glaring void. The official statements pointed to budget cuts, shifting demographics, and a new focus on digital-first content. But many insiders believe it's deeper than that. A network-wide restructuring appears to be underway across Discovery's portfolio, which includes not only HGTV but also TLC. This fact has alarmed 1000 LB Sisters fans, who fear their beloved show could be next in line. 1000 LB Sisters has long stood as one of TLC's most emotionally gripping and socially impactful programs. Chronicling the journeys of sisters Tammy and Amy Slayton as they navigate extreme obesity, health battles, surgeries, family struggles, and personal reinvention, the show offers a deeply personal and often raw look into their lives. It has not only generated high ratings but also sparked meaningful conversations around body image, mental health, addiction, and family dysfunction. However, even popular shows are not immune to cancellation in this new climate. So what are the chances of 1000 LB Sisters being cancelled? And why now? Multiple factors seem to be converging at a delicate moment. One of the most pressing concerns involves TLC's shifting business model. With the Warner Bros. Discovery merger completed, executive decisions are increasingly focused on streamlining programming. In other words, fewer shows with higher return on investment. Long-running reality series now face immense pressure to either evolve quickly or exit quietly. This puts 1000 LB Sisters in a precarious position. Despite its popularity, its format has remained largely unchanged, and some critics argue the show has plateaued creatively. Adding to this, the show's stars themselves have experienced personal upheaval that could complicate production. Tammy Slayton's dramatic transformation following bariatric surgery has been nothing short of stunning, and her weight loss journey has captivated millions. However, some fans believe her story arc may be reaching a natural conclusion. Meanwhile, Amy Slayton's recent divorce, custody battle, and romantic entanglements with her new partner Brian have pulled the show into increasingly chaotic and tabloid-friendly territory. For some viewers, this has amplified the drama. For others, it signals a loss of focus from the original health journey that made the series resonate in the first place. Then there's the elephant in the room, viewer fatigue. After several seasons, some longtime fans are beginning to express burnout. Social media is flooded with mixed opinions. While some praise the sisters' resilience and vulnerability, others argue the show has become repetitive and exploitative. A handful of vocal critics claim the emotional drama feels too manufactured now, detracting from the show's authenticity. For networks balancing fan loyalty with financial metrics, declining enthusiasm, even slight, can be enough to trigger reevaluation. However, the possibility of cancellation doesn't just stem from internal concerns. External competition is fierce. The rise of new weight loss-focused reality shows on Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube has introduced fresh narratives and bolder production values. TLC must now compete not only with traditional networks but also with short-form viral content that captures attention spans it in seconds. In this ecosystem, a traditional hour-long episode may no longer be the gold standard. Networks are hunting for the next big format, a fusion of emotional truth and binge-worthy shock value. Still, it would be foolish to count 1000 LB Sisters out. The show retains a fiercely loyal fan base. Reddit forums, Facebook groups, TikTok threads, and Twitter debates surrounding the Slayton sisters remain incredibly active. Tammy Slayton, in particular, has become something of a cult figure, her TikTok presence pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. Her glow-up photos, sassy clapbacks, and raw honesty continue to attract both sympathy and admiration. If anything, Tammy's recent transformation might have sparked a second wave of fandom, potentially keeping the show viable for at least another season. Insiders close to TLC have been tight-lipped, but there are whispers. Some suggest that rather than cancellation, the show might pivot. A rebranded format or spin-off, perhaps one focused solely on Tammy's post-surgery life, Amy's co-parenting struggles, or even introducing a new cast of weight loss warriors, might be under consideration. TLC has previously seen success with this model, most notably through the 90 Day Fiancé franchise, which has branched out into dozens of spin-offs with varying themes and focuses. The production team is also reportedly assessing how much fresh content can be gathered moving forward. With the Slayton sisters now living separate lives in different states and facing unique personal circumstances, filming logistics are increasingly difficult. In past seasons, fans witnessed intimate family moments, doctor visits, rehab stays, and intense sit-downs. But as the sisters grow, heal, and explore independence, they're no longer as physically or emotionally available for constant filming. This reality could either elevate the show with mature, evolution-driven content, or dry up its dramatic source material entirely. Financially, there's another layer of complexity. Reality stars tend to demand higher paychecks as their fame grows. While the Slayton sisters have not publicly commented on their contracts, industry norms suggest they've likely sought renegotiations after each season's success. TLC, which has historically maintained tight production budgets, may now be weighing cost versus benefit more closely than ever before. If the show's budget exceeds projected returns, especially during an economic period where ad dollars are shrinking, executives could see cancellation as the most pragmatic choice. But here's where things take a hopeful turn. Streaming demand for past seasons of 1000 LB Sisters remains strong. On platforms like Discovery Plus and Max, binge-watching behavior keeps the show's back catalog profitable. New viewers continuously discover the show, and those catching up often engage in online discussion, creating a second-hand buzz that's difficult to quantify but impossible to ignore. This evergreen value may offer the show a kind of insurance policy against immediate cancellation. It's a long-tail game, and TLC knows it. There's also the cultural relevance factor. At a time when body positivity, mental health awareness, and health equity are increasingly in the spotlight, the show continues to feel timely. It confronts hard topics, obesity, food addiction, depression, toxic relationships, with raw candor. Few shows dare to dig as deep, and fewer still maintain such an emotional pulse. 1000 LB Sisters is more than just entertainment for many viewers, it's representation. To cancel it outright would feel to some like silencing a much-needed voice in the broader social dialogue. For now, the future of 1000 LB Sisters remains uncertain. TLC has not announced any formal decisions about the show's renewal or cancellation, and no official production dates for a new season have been confirmed. Fans are left in limbo, speculating, hoping, and in some cases, preparing for the worst. The recent HGTV cancellations have only amplified this uncertainty, fueling fears that no show, no matter how beloved, is safe in today's volatile TV climate. Whether TLC doubles down, pivots, or pulls the plug, one thing is clear: 1000 LB Sisters has left an indelible mark on reality television. It broke stereotypes, launched viral stars, and gave viewers a raw, unfiltered look at the human struggle for change. Its legacy is cemented, whether it continues in its current form, re-emerges as a spin-off, or ends on a final, heartfelt note. Until then, the question looms large. After HGTV's shock cancellations, is 1000 LB Sisters next? The answer, for now, is still hiding behind the camera. But if there's one thing this show has taught us, it's that nothing, especially not change, is ever truly off the table. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.